Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering, minimalism, and also living a simpler life with less. So a few years ago, after I downsized from a very large home in the country to a tiny apartment in the city, I've learned so many things. And one of the most important things I learned was something I'm going to share with you today, and it's how to set up and organize your space in the first few weeks. How that matters because it sets a tone for the way that you're going to be living moving forward. These 5 practical, beginner-friendly ideas will help you build a home that feels calmer, clear, and also aligned with who you are right now. So my first tip is to start with less. So this is such an important tip because it's tempting to fill every single shelf, every single drawer right away. And as we might find ourselves saying, just to get settled. So instead, try this. Set things up minimally at first. Live with less for 2 or 3 weeks, even more. And this will give you a chance to see what you actually need and what you don't need because less is more. The second tip is don't organize the clutter. So fancy bins and labels can trick us into thinking we're simplifying our lives when in fact, all we're really doing is rearranging clutter. So remember, declutter first, then organize. So as you're packing or unpacking, ask yourself, would I buy this again? Will I use it? And do I need it? So if the answer is no, just let it go. Don't shove it into another plastic bin. So the less you keep, the less you'll need to manage later on. And my third tip is choose function over fear. So have you ever kept things out of fear? Fear that you might need it someday? We all have done that. So don't let yourself fall into that trap again. So all you have to do is to think differently and to flip the mindset by saying, if it doesn't serve your lifestyle today, it doesn't deserve a space in your new home. So let your new home reflect the confident new you that isn't afraid to say no to clutter. And my fourth tip today is use the one home rule. So when you have items that don't have a clear home or a place that they you can find them or you can put them back, that's what builds clutter. So think about it. Scissors, staples, all of those things we need often. And so make sure you have a home for those things so that you can find them when you need them. And try this. So make a habit of assigning a single home to every single item. If it doesn't have one, that's a sign that you may not need it. So this one simple rule can transform the way that your home looks and feels, cluttered or organized. And my last tip today is make room for what you love. So we often focus on only the things that we want to get rid of when we're moving. But what about making room for the things that you love? So as you're moving into your new home or your apartment, ask yourself, what items do I love? What items inspire me, make me happy? Just to even look at them. And which items align with the new life that I want to be living, the one that I'm creating right now. Keep those things that you love. Let go of the things that you think you should hang on to. So moving is actually the perfect opportunity to be intentional about what you allow into your home and into your new life. And these 5 tips are a great way to build momentum and to create a home that reflects the values that you have from day one. So if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, help us grow, and leave a comment below. Your comments do matter because they help us with ideas for new content for the future. But please share these with anyone else you think that is moving into a new home and might benefit from these tips. And if you need a roadmap from what to keep and what to let go of, download my Essentials Minimalist Checklist for just $2.99. It's in the link below. They're perfect for anyone who's just starting out. So I'll see you next week. And in the meanwhile, keep it simple and enjoy the process.